You're watching Hot Walk Academy. My name is Mingjin Tong. I want to help you master your kitchen. Today we're making my daughter's 5-spice popcorn. Let's cook. Okay, very simple rundown. We've just got a vegetable oil. I know many of you don't like vegetable oil. You can use any kind of a high smoke point oil with a neutral flavor that you like. I'm using vegetable oil, and I've just got some popcorn kernels that are ready to go, and I've got my 5-spice blend. So this has star anise and cinnamon and cumin, and there's some MSG in here and some kosher salt. And I've just got here, this is a 12-inch, so a little bit smaller, 12-inch carbon steel wok, which is really great for heat transfer. And let's go ahead and just get our fire on. Now, remember, when you're making popcorn, what's happening is that you are heating the moisture that's inside of each kernel to its boiling point. And when the water gets to the boiling point and vaporizes, that's what causes the corn to burst open. So we don't need a lot of heat. Let's go ahead and just add a little bit of oil here. And you don't need a ton of heat, because what's gonna happen is you don't wanna burn your popcorn, but you do wanna let your popcorn get to that 212-degree place. So let's go ahead and adjust my fire a little bit. Don't want it too hot. And let's go ahead and add my popcorn. All right, let's go from there. And again, you can just kind of let it sit. You can also move it around. And what we want, let's go ahead and give it a toss here, get each kernel toasted. We're gonna be cooking both by conduction. Actually, it's mainly conduction. So that oil, as it's heating, is actually working its way into the popcorn. The heat carried by the oil into the water vapor. That water on the inside of the corn is going to begin to burst open that shell. So let's go ahead and let it go here. Make sure you're adjusting your heat. All right, I've already got some nice popping here. Make sure my heat is not too high because I don't want it to burn. One problem here is that as the corn begins to burst, what's gonna happen is you don't want the corn to actually touch the wok and get burned. So you wanna make sure your fire is not too hot so the kernels are not burning as you go. Now, another thing you can do is, even while it's cooking, you can actually begin to add your 5-spice right into the wok even now. You don't have to wait to the very end to season it. So I'll take some, and let's go ahead and just add that right to my popcorn and let that go. And let's give it, again, a bit of a toss. Great. And as the water heats up, it will cause the popcorn to burst open. Just make sure you're watching your heat. You don't want to accidentally burn any of the popcorn that is inside of your wok, okay? Let's go ahead, and that is pretty much about it. Let's turn the heat. There's no more of the kernels left. All of your popcorn is ready, and let's go ahead and add just a little bit more 5-spice. Give that a toss. The oil that's inside of your wok will actually help make the 5-spice stick to the popcorn. All right, give it a try. Let us know what you think. Please share, and thanks for watching.